Hey Julia, so the librarian suggested insanity defense as a better search term than insanity plea. So I just ran that in App Search, and the first result is what's called a research starter. And it is what it sounds like it is. It's a place to start your research. Really, what you're reading is an encyclopedia article, but not a Wikipedia article. So this is like a vetted encyclopedia article that is in our library's databases. So you would just click on Insanity Defense. And what you're going to get here is like HTML text, but it's pretty easy to read. And it's not incredibly long. So you can see I'm already at the bibliography. And then if you want to use this in your paper, you're going to click Cite, and then you'll scroll down to APA, and this is what you're going to copy and paste onto your reference page. So there's another piece of help and perhaps a better phrase to use going forward.